Welcome to Magombe Online School, where learning comes alive. Today, Sir Mutawani will guide you through an exciting lesson on industrial processes. In this session, you'll explore the fascinating journey of peanut butter, discovering how it's produced step by step. You'll also learn how oil is extracted from peanut butter and uncover the many uses of this valuable oil. By the end, you'll be able to outline each process with confidence and understand their real-world applications. Let's begin.
Peanut butter and peanut oil are produced using a series of industrial processes designed to efficiently transform raw peanuts into valuable products. The journey begins with shelling, where machines swiftly remove the tough outer shells. Next, the shelled peanuts are roasted in large ovens, developing a rich flavor and aroma. Once roasted, the peanuts are cooled and ground into a smooth paste, with salt and stabilizers sometimes added. For oil extraction, high-pressure machines press the peanut butter, separating the oil, which is then used for cooking, industrial applications, and even biodiesel. Traditional methods like mortar and pestle are also used on a smaller scale. Production of peanut butter. Peanut butter is a popular food paste made from ground roasted peanuts. The industrial production of peanut butter involves the following main processes. Shelling. This is the process of removing the outer shell or husk from the raw peanuts. Equipment. This is done using a sheller, which is a machine designed to crack and remove the shells efficiently. Roasting. The shelled peanuts are then roasted. This step is crucial for developing the characteristic flavor and aroma of peanut butter. Roasting also helps to loosen the thin skin covering the peanut kernels. The peanuts are heated in large ovens to a specific temperature for a set amount of time. Grinding. After roasting, the peanuts are cooled and then ground into a smooth paste. Equipment. A peanut butter making machine is used for this process. This machine has powerful grinders that break down the peanuts. During grinding, salt, sugar, and stabilizers, to prevent oil separation, may be added according to the desired recipe. Packaging. Finally, the smooth peanut butter is filled into clean containers, jars or tubs, and sealed. This packaging protects the peanut butter from contamination and helps to maintain its freshness. Production of oil from peanut butter. Oil can be extracted from peanut butter through a process of pressing. Preparing peanut butter. The peanut butter produced in the previous steps is used as the raw material for oil extraction. Pressing peanut butter to produce oil. The peanut butter is fed into a machine that applies high pressure. This pressure squeezes out the oil from the peanut solids. The oil is collected separately, while the remaining solid material, peanut cake or meal, can be used for other purposes, such as animal feed. Uses of oil. Oils extracted from various sources, including peanuts, have many important uses. Cooking. Peanut oil is a common cooking oil used for frying, sautéing, and baking due to its high smoke point and mild flavor. Food industry. Oils are used in the production of various food products like margarine, salad dressings, and sauces. Industrial uses. Some oils have industrial applications, such as in the production of soaps, lubricants, and cosmetics. Fuel. Biodiesel. Vegetable oils, including peanut oil, can be processed into biodiesel, an alternative fuel source. Traditional methods. Small scale. While large-scale industrial production uses specialized machinery, smaller-scale or traditional methods for processing peanuts exist. Winnowing basket. Used to separate the shells and lighter debris from the shelled peanuts by tossing them in the air. Mortar and pestle. A traditional tool used for crushing and grinding small quantities of roasted peanuts. Grinding stone. Guyo imbokodo. Another traditional method for grinding roasted peanuts into a paste. Summary of equipment. Sheller, peanut butter making machine. Pressing machine. Alt, for oil extraction. Winnowing basket, traditional. Mortar and pestle. Traditional. Grinding yo stone. Guyo imbokoro. Traditional. This outline provides a basic understanding of the industrial processes involved in the production of peanut butter and oil from peanuts.